Hi friends, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Hit the like button and I'm going to show you what IPSY is. What is IPSY, you say? Maybe you've seen the commercials. They're actually promoting a ton of commercials. This is IPSY. It comes in this cute little pink bag. Once a month, it's a subscription box. They give you 5 items. And I'm going to get you started right away with this month. And I also have last month, so it's a 2-for-1. And let me show you what they've got. So first of all, they give you a cute little bag to put all the stuff in, and you can give these away as gifts. Like, I love these things. I like to keep one of these in my purse at all times with like a little makeup to go in case you forgot your makeup or you need to freshen up your makeup. So I would definitely put that in there. So starting with number 1, they gave you this cute brush. Look at the bristles on that. So cute. It's pink, very soft. And I would call this, I would use this for eyeshadow. It's like an eyeshadow blending brush. Love that. And it's by Farrah. Okay, number 2, the hair. So they usually give you one thing for the skin, one makeup item, and something for the hair. So this is Pure Brazilian. It's a daily anti-frizz serum. Thank you very much, especially in the summer when you're in the pool, in the ocean. I would like take this on vacation probably, and you just put it in. It's a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy looking hair. So probably once you get out of the shower, put this on your hair. Love it. Okay, then moving on. Pure Lace Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Okay, love that. So who doesn't love a mask? And right now it's what, day 1 million in lockdown? Like, everyone, we should be doing face masks, hair masks, like anything extra. Like, why wouldn't we be doing that right now, right? So love that. Then they've got Yensa. Yensa is the brand, and this is a BB and a CC cream. Okay, BB and CC creams are full coverage. They're anti-aging, and this one, you know, this kind of looks a little bit like the Tarte Shape Tape. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. You know what I would use this for? Actually, I'm gonna get my foundation brush. This is my no, that's not it. Hold on. My little makeup, there it is, foundation brush. And you just take it like this. Take a little, put the brush in it, and do the underneath of your eyes to get rid of those dark circles. Yes, please. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. And then it'll take away any like fallen eyeshadow or anything. I'm just gonna, for time's sake. Oh yeah, okay, I like that. It's a little light, I think, for me, but also like if you have red spots, like a lot of times my chin is a little red, I'll put it there, or you have a little like underneath your nose. So yeah, okay, I like that, good. Then, okay, the Balm. Balm is a brand of makeup. I love Balm, and this is called Auto Balm, and it's this great shimmery color, and it says for girls on the go and day to night. Okay, well, yes please. I would use this for highlighter. So you take a fan brush just like this and you use it for highlighter. Oh yeah, like that. Okay, or guess what, you can also use it for eyeshadow. Take a little, and I like to put it right in the center of my lid, a little shimmer shadow. Oh yeah, see that? I love that. Okay, and if you've been watching my channel, you know that, guess where else we put this? Take a little on the end of your finger, right there on your lips, right in the middle of your lips. How great is that? Yes, please. Okay, love that. So that was this month's IPSY bag. Love it. 5 items. It's $10. And it makes a great graduation gift or birthday gift, so why not get that for someone that you know that's graduating, like my daughter, Nicole. Okay, moving on. So last month's bag, and they usually try to have a theme. Oh, they did send this. Highlighter 101, everything you need to glow. So they give you a little bit of instructions, but I love this so much. It says from basics to hacks, everything you need to know under the sun. So it gives you like ideas what to do with powder, liquid and cream highlighter. So they always give you a little instruction. So, okay, so last month's box, look, it had this little bag. It has this wooden little handle on it. How cute is this? Like, I would put sunscreen and take this to the beach. How cute is that? Love it. Okay, so let's get right to it. So the first thing they have is Murad. So Murad is a great brand, and it is a hydration gel rich water gel cream. So let me open it up and show you what it looks like. So it's like, see that? So this I would put on before, if I get out of the shower. You always put on moisturizer before you put on your foundation. So I would probably rub that all around my face and neck, let it dry, and then move on to your foundation, like, you know, like this or something, whatever. This is Revlon. This is Revlon Color Stay. Okay, so love that, always need that. Then secondly, they have Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. Okay, so cleanser is not the same as moisturizer. Cleanser is actually what you use to wash your face, and then the moisturizer is what you put on after. That'll stick and stay. Like cleanser, you wash off. Actually, okay, so cleanser I use in the shower, and I have that Mia, that little scrubbing Mia Clairsonic, and so I would put that on my face and then use the Mia Clairsonic to scrub it off. Okay, good, like that. Then moving on. Oh, Full Bloom. So see, it's kind of like, you know, spring, Full Bloom. They give you all these, like, grow your beauty skills. So it gives you all these tips, and it tells you about what is in the box. So, well, moving on. Okay, they have another makeup brush. This one is called Arceli. That's the brand. And it looks like, okay, this one looks like this. Okay. Again, this is like a bigger, I would use this probably as a blending brush. So when I'm putting on like all my mascara, or not mascara, my shadows, I would use that as a blending brush. But ooh, I like that. Very nice. Okay, moving on. Okay, they've got Helios is the brand. This is, oh, it is, ooh, okay, I love this color. This is nail polish, and who doesn't need their nails done right now? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? This state of California better open up fast because I need my nails done ASAP. But look at this color. It's like a lilac color. Oh, I'm going to put it on my thumb right now. Oh, it kind of matches. Okay, I love this color actually. And by the way, Emily, I asked her to do this video with me and she didn't. So guess what? I'm stealing anything I want from it. But look, it's like the same color as the little bag. How cute is that? I'm 100% doing my nails after this video is done. Love that color. Love it. Okay, good. And finally, last but not least, is, oh goody, please tell me this is eyeshadow. I don't know why, but I can never get enough eyeshadow, so I hope this is eyeshadow. It's a little, I think it's a quad. Nude Shimmer, contour and eyeshadow. Okay, double for your trouble, contour and eyeshadow. And why do they have it wrapped up like this? Okay, bear with me, folks, because I have to open this thing. I might even have to get a pair of scissors. Hold on. Yes. So this is what happens when you don't pre-open everything before your video. Okay, so hopefully this will come up right now. Hold on. Bear with me because I'm really excited to see these colors, okay? All right, and watch my other videos. Do you like my hair today? This is my beach wave. I did these beach waves with my T3 straightener, and I have a video, and I'll link it below. So, okay, this is honestly hard to open. Hold on. But I gotta get this open because I gotta see what's in here. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna destroy my nail while I do it. Okay. Okay, yes, please. How gorgeous are these colors? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna swatch them on here right now. Okay, yes, please. There they are. Look at those colors. They're golden, they're rosy, they're bronzy. Love it. Okay, and actually I'm gonna put a little on with the brush that they gave me. I'm gonna use this dark color right here because I feel like I didn't do enough of my crease today. Oh yeah, look at that. Instant drama to the eyes. And then all you have to do after that, I'll put a little under. And then I'll take the shimmer down here, shimmer, and I'll put that right below my eyebrow. Okay, see that? Hello. Okay, this would be a great little thing to take on vacation as a little eyeshadow quad. And yes, please, love that. So that is IPSY. Sign up for IPSY. Sign up for my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. I have so many great things to share with you. And I love you guys. Bye.